Scan from an HP printer to your computer or mobile device using the EWS or embedded web server. With your printer connected to the network, obtain the printer IP address. On printers with a touchscreen control panel, navigate to the Wireless or Network Settings menu and view the wireless summary. The IP address displays on the screen. On printers without a control panel, print a network configuration page to obtain the IP address. On most printers, press and hold the Wireless or Wireless and Information buttons to print a page containing the IP address. If you cannot print a network configuration page, go to support.hp.com to find the steps for your printer. On the network configuration page, locate the printer IP address. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser and enter the IP address into the URL bar to navigate to the EWS. From the printer EWS, select Settings. Expand the Security section, and then select Administrator Settings. At the Redirect prompt, select OK or Redirect to HTTPS. If a Your Connection is Not Private message displays, select Advanced, and then select Proceed. Accessing the EWS does not harm your computer. Select the option to enable Web Scan or Web Scan from EWS. Select Apply, and then select OK. In the navigation bar, select Scan. Adjust any desired document and quality settings, and then select Start Scan. Select OK to start the web scan. A new tab opens displaying the scan. Download and save the scan using the browser controls.